Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set a chat wallpaper on your WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings. We're going to do that by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. Next, we're going to click on chats. That's right below privacy and above notifications. So the first option we have here is chat wallpaper. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to click on choose a new wallpaper. So this is the default wallpaper. So as you can see, you have multiple options. You have your default wallpaper. You can choose from your camera roll, or you can choose a bright wallpaper. For example, you have here from what to choose from. That's bright. You can also choose a dark wallpaper. You can select solid colors, so just one color. Or you can select from your camera roll, whatever you might like. So we're gonna go ahead and set it to a bright, for example, this one. So here you have a preview of how it would look like. So you can zoom in or zoom out. So wallpaper motion, you can turn that on and off. And when you're done, if you like it, you're just going to click on set. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!